Hi! In front of me is Tablet Navitel T787 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices. Then click on Connection Preferences, tap on Printing, and select the Footprint service or tap on Add Service and install the best one for you. Either way, when you click on the chosen one, make sure that this switcher is on and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!